Oh my gosh, it's the ball. Bowie's like, give me that back. I want that. Bowie, what? Where is it? What are you doing? Soap's got the ball. He's doing some yoga. Like, I want it. These two. I got it. What is that? What is it? So magical. Did you hear that? He's obsessed. Give me it. Bowie. I want the ball, please. Can I have the ball? You little dribbler. Ignore all my bottles. I'm gonna do bottles and cans tomorrow. Place closed when I... Look how gross that is. There used to be like this plastic bottle thing inside of it, but he ripped it out 5 seconds after he got it. Not the recent Christmas, but the Christmas before. Look at that. This one over here, he loves this carpet. Is that comfy? Nice and soft? Yeah? It's a good carpet? There it is. Boom!